Hello everyone, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I greet you. Depending on where you are and when you see this video, you are highly welcome back to our YouTube channel. If today is your first time, hello, my name is Promise and you are most welcome. Please consider clicking on the red button, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you are a return subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for making this place a good place to be. And I pray that God will bless you, okay? All right, it has happened that most of people complain that after doing spiritual work or after trying any of the recipe, they are not getting answer, or it takes much time for them to get an answer. All right, in today's video, I want to share with you just some three important notice or some three important cue why spiritual work may not work for you, or why you are not getting answer to whatever you are praying for so fastly as you desire. All right, so you see the topic if you want to know more, which I advise you to know, because it makes your work, it makes your effort to manifest so fastly. All right, I told you there are things that you need to do. There is some things that you need to do exactly for you to get an answer to whatever you are praying for, to whatever spiritual work or to whatever prayer you are praying for. Let me tell you, it doesn't matter who do that for you. It doesn't matter how powerful or whosoever. Yes, destinies are different. There is something that somebody may do for you, it works, and another person, even me, do for you, it will not work. So you don't compare the destinies. Your own is just to understand the area of your life and follow the procedure, and you see things start working for you. All right, like I said, I'm going to make this video so brief, so I'm going to give you just three important or three cues on why spiritual work may not work for you or is not working for you. All right, number one is this: before you embark in any spiritual work, I do tell you, please go for spiritual cleansing. Spiritual cleansing is very, very important when you are doing spiritual work. Spiritual work is not magic, especially all this recipe are the creation. These are the nations. You are using it just for yourself. You are using it by yourself. It's just for you to see how natural it is, for you to see how genuine and free it is. Just you are using it for your own purpose in life. All right, so before you embark yourself in any spiritual work or any spiritual things or work that you want it to work for you, please go for spiritual cleansing. I will tell you the reason. The reason is this: let me be honest with you. In daily basis, we wake up every day, we go out every day, we go to the market, we go to anywhere, any social gathering, we meet with people. Sometimes you connect some spirit from the people that you come in contact with. It may be bad spirit, it may be good spirit. I am not saying everybody has a bad spirit. No, there is some people that when you come in contact with them, you will contact good energy, you will contact good vibrations. Things will start working automatically good for your life. And also there is some people that you will come in contact with. Believe me, everything will turn upside down. Everything will just start afresh again. It doesn't mean that the person is evil. It doesn't mean that the person is the cause. No, most of the times a lot of people has this spirit without knowing. Yes, so it's not always their problem until you go for cleansing, until you cleanse yourself. Okay, let me tell you, most of the times medically, when you go to the hospital, before any professional doctors or whoever will start treatment with you, it must tell you, okay, go and do so test, or you go and do full blood count, go. So to understand, to know the particular way or the particular things they are going to treat. So this is how spiritual detoxification or spiritual cleansing work. You just cleanse yourself, you just cleanse your life and make every work or any recipe or that anything that you do, any recipe that you try or whatever remedy you go for, it works immediately for you. So I advise you, if you want to back in any spiritual work or spiritual recipe or spiritual remedy, whether be processing to you by someone or whether you are doing it yourself, please try to go for spiritual cleansing so that you will have a perfect results. Okay, right. Number second again is faith. Faith is very, very important if you are doing spiritual cleansing, not only spiritual thing, not only spiritual work, anything that you are doing in life and you don't have faith is not going to work. Even if you are praying, maybe after making your prayers, you conclude in your mouth that in your mind that am I sure that this my prayer answered? Forget it, you are not going to get an answer. So whatever you are doing, whether you are praying, whether you are doing anything generally, as far as life is concerned, you need to attach faith. Faith is very, very important in our life. It makes things work. Faith is evidence of things that we believe, even if we did not see it, but we believe that it exists and we are going to get it. Coupled with your guardian angel that is following you, coupled with the spirit that you are, coupled with the nature, everything now manifests according to your faith. So whatever you are doing, any spiritual work, don't have doubts. Don't think, am I sure this thing is going to work for me? That is why I used to advise people, when you want to do anything, whether spiritual work, whether physical things, and you are having double mind, oh, am I sure this thing is going to work for me? Am I sure if I go to this thing I will succeed? Immediately you start having that thought and you cannot join your mind together to have faith on it. Don't just continue with it, because it's not going to work. So in generally, whatever you are doing, whether you are doing spiritual work, whether somebody is doing it for you, or whether you are praying, or whether you are doing anything in life, you need faith. All right. Then number third I will talk about is persistence. All these things is not magic. All these things is not evil. These are the nature, these are the natural things. So you need to be persistent. Mostly a lot of people will tell you, okay, I've tried so particular thing for 2 days, maybe something you ask them to do, maybe like 7 days. The person might do it 1, 2, 3. It will now come and start complaining that I have not seen anything. Please, it doesn't work that way. You need to persist. You need to continue. You need to be focused, and definitely you must get an answer. Please get faith and be persistent whenever you are trying any of this recipe. You don't just do because you've done, even in the one you have been asked to do so time. If you don't understand, just ask question, can I redo it again? Most of the time, our family backgrounds are not the same. Our destinies are not the same. The race of life is not the same. Believe you me, the race of life is not the same. You will not say because I finished secondary school with this person that this is why. That is because me and this person finished the same time. We must achieve so thing the same time. As far as life is concerned, it does not work that way. In life, our destinies, our foundations, and our natures is different. There is no competition in life. Yes, I used to tell so many people, whatever you are doing, don't compare yourself with others. Don't copy yourself to others. Don't say, because of this person is doing her own like this, let me do my own like that. Yes, the person might do his or her own like that and succeed. But when you want to follow that area, because it's not your calling, because it's not your direction, because it's not your destiny, you are not going to succeed in that area. That is why you will see in a family, a mother may give birth to so many children, and you see that maybe it should be one that will just be carrying the family along. It may not be the first born, it may not be the last, just one person. So it doesn't mean that because this is the same mother that gave birth to them, or because this person is the first person or last person. It does not work like that. And anytime you are, even at your own closet, at your own private place, always speak positive into your life. Remember, everyone has a guardian angels. If you don't know it, you have a guardian angels. So whatever you speak in your mouth, that is what your guardian angels are gathering to your God, to your creation, to your nature. And that is what they are using to manufacture your tomorrow. So don't, because of what you are passing through today, you start speaking positive, negative things in your life. Even when it seems this difficult, continue prophesying positive into your life. You see this money, I must have it. You see this car, I must have it. You see this house, I must build it. Even when you don't have anything, believe me, it's working. When you are saying all these positive things in your life, continue the normal work you need to do the necessary thing you need to do. Above all, you pray harder, fast if you can fast. If you are doing spiritual work and you add fasting, prayer, it makes it to work so fast. It's not magic. I will keep telling you, a lot of people don't want hearing this. They want to tell you, I need something today, tomorrow. Please, it doesn't work that way. Everything in life has procedure. And for you to get what you want, you need to follow the procedure. And definitely, what I am assuring you is that definitely you must get the results. Okay, so please take these 3 important notice anytime you want to embark in anything, generally work, spiritual work, prayer, anything generally about life. You need to do these 3 things. You need to cleanse yourself, you need to have faith, and you need to be persistent, and you see that everything will work according to the way you plan it. Okay, so please take note of this, put it into practice, and do all you know you can do. Believe you me, you are coming to say glory be to God. Okay, all right, thank you, my beautiful family. I wish to share these 3 important Q notice about how you go to get a perfect answer to whatever you want in life. Okay, thank you, my beautiful family. Remember, your girl still love you. See you in my next video. Bye.